Welcome back to new video. This video is showing about how to install Rectify 11 on your PC. Rectify 11 is a modified version of Windows 11 that aims to redesign and fix UI inconsistencies in Microsoft's latest desktop OS. The shell has been redesigned from scratch to keep everything in line with the modern Fluent Design. Rectify 11 has also optimized Windows 11 to make it less bloated and more performance-driven. That's the reason why there is no background telemetry, and the TPM requirement has been removed. So if you are someone who wants to have a consistent Windows 11 experience, you can install Rectify 11. Let's begin. First, go ahead and download the latest ISO image of Rectify 11 from its official website. Next, download Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Now, open Rufus. Plug the USB drive, select the ISO image. Basically, follow the steps you would use while creating a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. And simply click on Start. Next, plug the USB drive into the target PC and restart it. When the PC restarts, press the boot key, which should be one of the function keys. Once you are on the boot selection screen, select your USB drive and hit Enter. Your PC will now load Rectify 11's setup. Follow the on-screen instructions and install this redesigned OS on your preferred drive. As you can see, it does not show the legacy installation window. Everything has been updated, right from the setup to the desktop shell. Now, it will restart, and you will boot directly into Rectify 11 without any ads. Rectify 11 does not show ads, suggestions, or ask you to install OneDrive or Microsoft Teams. This redesigned Windows 11 experience is absolutely bloat-free and has completely removed Windows Telemetry in the background. As a result, the performance is much better on this redesigned Windows 11 OS. In my usage, it was only taking 1% of CPU and 1 GB of RAM while sitting idle. Coming to updates, you can install security and quality patches on Rectify 11, but cumulative updates are not supported. In this department, Windows 11 is better as the updates are directly handled by Microsoft. And if you are someone who wants a Windows 10-like taskbar and start menu, you can get those features on Rectify 11 as it comes with Explorer Patcher built in.
Warning:
Rectify 11 only supports 64-bit systems. Rectify 11 is an independent project and in no way affiliated with Microsoft. Internet connectivity requirements, suggestions, etc.